I hope you are fine. Today's topic is very interesting related to receding gums or gum recession, which is very problematic for most of our patients. Usually, patients didn't notice the problem in the initial stages. The concern started from sensitivity to hot, cold, or change in color of teeth from white to yellow, as the roots of our teeth are yellow in color. The sudden change in color awake the patient, warn them to consult their family dentist. Also, the recession lead to gum bleeding, gingivitis, inflammation of the gums, and food infection, which ultimately lead to root caries, tooth decay in the specifically in the root portion of the teeth. So, how to cope with gum recession at home? The first we have to discuss the various causes. The most common is hard brushing in horizontal direction. When you brush horizontally, you are basically pushing your gums backward and abrading your teeth. That is very harmful for both teeth as well as your gums. So always select a soft toothbrush for toothbrushing and move the direction of your toothbrush should be in vertical direction from upside down and from downside towards upward. Another important reason of gum recession is bruxism, grinding of the teeth daytime or at night, which ultimately lead to tooth wear, gum recession, food infection, tooth decay, and multiple problems arise after grinding of teeth. Another important cause is bleaching of teeth. If you visit your dentist frequently for teeth whitening, like once in a year, there is a chance of gum recession due to repeated attack of acid on your teeth and gums. Another important source of acidic thing is from your diet. Regular consumption of cold drinks, vinegar, and important thing, stomach your stomach contain a lot of HCl with pH 1.5, highly acidic. So when you are suffering from acid reflux disease, then there will be chance of reflux of acid in your mouth, and ultimately it will lead to gum recession and tooth wear. So these are various causes of receding gums. In today's video, we will discuss major 2 points: how to grow back your gums and what things you should stop during growing of your gums. That is also very important. So first of all, your toothbrush must be soft but not extra soft, as extra soft brush will not remove dental plaque from your teeth and also will not massage your gums. Usually, when we brush our teeth, the toothbrush massage our gums and remove dental plaque from the teeth surfaces. Massaging of the gums with the toothbrush will increase the blood flow, blood supply of the teeth, new blood vessels, and ultimate growth of the gum will occur with the passage of time. So these process of regeneration is very important with the simple technique of toothbrushing with the soft but firm filaments of toothbrush. Another important thing along with toothbrush is coconut oil. Coconut oil pulling is very important for gums growth. It will take about 6 months to grow your gums back to their original position. When you awake in the morning, the first step should be oil pulling with coconut oil. Take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, put it in your mouth and swish around your teeth, and after 5 to 10 minutes spit it out. And after oil pulling, after 10 to 15 minutes of oil pulling, you can brush your teeth as you do in your routine daily life. So these two are very important for growing back of your gums. And third important thing is xylitol. Xylitol can be used in chewing gum form or in the form of toothpaste. It builds back your teeth and supports your gums to grow back. It precipitates calcium and phosphate from the saliva to the surfaces of the teeth that are previously damaged with acids or abrasion effect of toothbrush. So xylitol is the third thing, and these three things are very important. Number one, soft toothbrush and brushing in vertical direction. Number two, coconut oil pulling, and number three, xylitol chewing gum after meals. Combination of these things are tried can easily grow your gums back, and you will get rid of extensive periodontal surgeries like gum grafting, pinhole surgery. Various procedures are very expensive and extensive for your teeth. So the second step of this video is related to what things should we stop during the growing back stage of our gums. Number one and very important thing is dental flossing. Usually the way of flossing is must be very gentle, but most people floss in aggressive way that lead to injury of the gums and abrasion of our teeth. So if you do aggressive flossing, avoid it till 6 months of the period of gum growth. That will be better for your gums to grow back. Second important thing is overall body condition. Live a stress-free life. Your immunity should be good. Your diet must be rich in vitamin C and vitamin D, and you must do exercise to increase your blood flow. That will improve overall health of your body and ultimate increase blood flow to your gums. So if we consider gums as a wound, you must consider these things to avoid damage to the wound, as damage to wound can inhibit the healing process and growing back of your gums. Also stop the teeth whitening procedure in the period of 6 months, as acidic things can inhibit the gum growth. Also avoid baking soda plus hydrogen peroxide combination. It is also damaging to your gums in the healing stage. Another important thing that is available in your home is clove oil or clove. If you apply the clove oil on your receding gums, there will be a burning sensation and the healing process will impaired after application of clove oil. So also avoid the application of clove oil during the 6 month period of gum growth. If your teeth are tartar free, then also avoid repeated dental cleanings that are also damaging to your teeth and gums. Also avoid sipping of cold drinks, sipping of acidic juices like citrus juices in the period of 6 months of gum growth. If you are suffering from xerostomia or dry mouth, then you have to moisten your mouth. That is also very important. Dry mouth or acid reflux can also damage the healing process of your gums and teeth. So this combination of growing back and stop things that can inhibit the growth of gums can easily solve your problem. of receding gums and it will grow back in 6 months. You have to wait. You will be consistent in doing these all three things of oil pulling, short brush, gum massage, and xylitol. Hopefully, this video will be informative to you. If any question related to this, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.